Very good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning classes of business studies. Now, in this turn, I am going to start the new topic of chapter 3, that is business environment. Business environment I have started in my previous lecture. This chapter I have started in my previous lecture, and now I am going to cover one more topic of this chapter, that is dimensions of business environment. Dimensions of business environment, I am covering this topic in this lecture. Better, what is business environment? I have told you in my previous lecture also what is business environment. The environment in which business exists is known as business environment. Dimensions of business environment means all the forces, factors, and institutions which have direct or indirect influence over the business transaction is known as dimensions of बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. बेटा डायमेंशंस मैंने अभी आपको बोला डायमेंशंस या कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. तो व्हाट इज डायमेंशन? डायमेंशन इज ऑल द फैक्टर्स, फोर्सेस एंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस which have direct or indirect influence over the business transaction. It is known as dimensions. Dimensions are the general environment also, and it is a specific environment also. The specific environment are those environment which is directly related with the business activities, and general environment are those activities and those dimensions which are indirectly related with the business activities. Now see the major components of general environment, that is economical environment. Number one is economical environment. Economical environment refers to all the forces and factors which directly influence the economy of your country. Economic environment वो सारे forces और factors हैं जो directly आपकी economy को affect कर रहे हैं. Economic environment consists of gross domestic product, income level at national level and per capita level, profit earning rate, productivity. Everything depends on economic environment. तो इट हैज़ इमीडिएट एंड डायरेक्ट इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट ऑन अ बिजनेस. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हो गया, इन्फ्लेशन रेट हो गया, चेंज इन इनकम ऑफ पीपल, मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी, प्राइस लेवल, ये सब चीज़ें क्या आपके इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट है जो आपके बिजनेस को इफेक्ट करते हैं. इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट में ऑफर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ टू अ फर्म और इट में पुट कॉन्स्टेंट्स. इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट दोनों तरीके से वर्क करता है, या तो ये ऑफर दे रहा है आपको या फिर आपको कॉन्स्टेंट्स दे रहा है. तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन बिजनेस मैन हाउ ही इज़ टेकिंग दैट as opportunity or as constant. Some aspects of economic environment are: number one, increase in GDP results in rise in disposable income of people and for the increase in demand for a product. जब हमारी जीडीपी राइज होती है तो इट मीन्स हमारा जो इनकम लेवल बढ़ता है. जब इनकम लेवल बढ़ता है तो इट मीन्स डिस्पोजेबल इनकम ऑफ द पीपल इंक्रीजेस एंड डिमांड फॉर द प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो rise. Number two, high inflation rate set as constant as they increases the cost of production. अगर inflation rate बढ़ गया means aggregate demand is greater than aggregate supply, then it increases the cost of production. Passing of GST bill will affect almost all the business organization. जब GST bill आया था तो सारे ही business environment affected हुए थे. Recent changes in economic and fiscal policy of country have encouraged NRIs to invest in Indian companies. जब हमारी economic and fiscal policies change हुई थी तो NRIs और आपके जो foreigners थे they were interested to invest in our Indian market. Role of private and public sector, it also plays a very important role in economic environment. Rate of saving and investment, अगर saving ज़्यादा है तो investment कम हो जाता है, investment कम है तो saving ज़्यादा हो जाती है. It also affect the economic environment of a country. Money supply in the economy, that also affect the economic environment. International debt interest, it also affects the economic environment of a country. Now see the second economic environment, which is directly related to monetary policy of the company, or you can say it is directly related to money or financial position of a firm. Now number two is social environment. Social environment consists of the customs and traditions of society in which business is existing. It includes the standard of living, tastes, preferences and education level of the people living in the society where business exists. तो सोशल इन्वायरमेंट वो है जो आपका कस्टम ट्रेडिशन ऑफ द सोसाइटी को कंसिस्ट करता है जहाँ पे हमें बिजनेस को एग्जिस्ट करना है. इट इंक्लूड्स वेरियस सोशल फोर्सेस सच एज कस्टम्स है, बिलीव्स है, लिटरेसी रेट हो गया, हमारा एजुकेशन लेवल हो गया, लाइफ स्टाइल हो गया, हमारी वैल्यूज़ हो गए विच आर इफेक्टिंग आर सोसाइटी एंड विच आर इफेक्टिंग द बिजनेस डायरेक्टली इन द मार्केट. For example, nowadays people are paying more attention towards their health, as a result of which demand for mineral water, diet coke, etc. increases और tobacco, fatty food products have decreases. जब लोग ज़्यादा हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हो गए हैं तो उन्होंने आपका मिनरल वाटर, डाइट कोक को इंक्रीज़ करा और जितना भी टोबैको एंड फैटी फूड प्रोडक्ट्स का डिमांड क्या हो गई, मार्केट में डिक्रीज़ हो गई. The common factors of Indian social environment are demand for reservations on job for minority and women. Minority और women के लिए जो है reservations के लिए जो demand थी, that is also affecting the social environment. Demand for equal status of women by paying equal wages for male and female workers. Demand for automatic machinery and luxury items in middle class family. It also increasing demand बढ़ रही है, it means आपका production बढ़ेगा and your goods will be sold out in the market. Health and fitness trend has become popular in the Indian market. Now see the next, that is technological environment. Technological environment includes forces related to scientific innovations and improvement which provide new ways of producing goods and services and new way of operating business. Technological environment, technologies, advanced technologies, the way in which we can produce the commodity. तो टेक्नोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट भी हमारी इकोनॉमी को बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करते हैं. टेक्नोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट, टेक्नोलॉजीज, अगर हम एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजीज यूज़ करते हैं तो इट शोज अस द इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड इनोवेशन विच प्रोवाइड न्यू वेज ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज एंड न्यू वे ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग बिजनेस. तो इट प्रोवाइड न्यू एंड एडवांस वेज, टेक्निक्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. A businessman must closely monitor the technological changes taking place in the industry as it helps in facing competition and improving the quality of product. See the example of it. Digital watches in place of traditional watches, artificial fabrics in place of traditional cotton and silk fabrics, booking of railway tickets on internet etc. ये सब क्या है, टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं जो आपके टाइम को सेव कर रही हैं और you can do the work in less time. Shift from vacuum tubes to transistor, that is also new technology. Shift from typewriter to word processor, that is also the technologies. So whatever advanced technologies are there, it helps us to do the work in time and in better way. Now see the next is political environment. Political environment, changes in political situation also affect business organization. Political stability build confidence among business community, while political instability and bad law and other situations may bring uncertainty in the business activities. Politics बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करती है आपके business environment को. Political stability है तो business will grow in a proper manner. लेकिन अगर political instability है तो जो confidence होता है, bad law and order है तो confidence level of the business goes down और production भी आपका क्या होने लगता है, decrease होने लगता है. तो political environment consists क्या करता है, it constitute all the factors related to government affairs such as type of government in power, attitude of government towards the different groups of societies, policy changes implemented by the different government. ये सब चीज़ें क्या आपका political changes है. ठीक है, तो जो सिंगल पार्टी, फॉर एग्जांपल बेंगलोर एंड हैदराबाद हैज़ बिकम द मोस्ट पॉपुलर लोकेशन फॉर IT ड्यू टू सपोर्टिव पॉलिटिकल क्लाइमेट. तो the common factors and forces which have influenced the Indian political environment are: number one, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started by the BJP government. Skill India movement started by BJP government. Political stability encourage business enterprise to invest in long term project. और जब ये political stability आती है तो we are ready to invest in long term project. Present political system and profile of the political leaders also affect the political environment. Government intervention in business values and in ideology of political parties also affect the business environment. तो जो भी politics है, political issues भी आपके business को बहुत ज़्यादा affect करते हैं. तो it is necessary to find out these political issues as soon as possible, to scan the market as soon as possible so that we can adopt the changes in business also and become the first mover advantage. Now next is legal environment. It constitutes the law and legislations passed by the government, administrative order, court judgment, decisions of various commissions and agencies. Businessmen have to act according to various legislations and their knowledge is very necessary. It is very necessary to know the legal environment of the economy. The management of every business enterprise has to obey the law and order. Therefore, it is very essential for every business enterprise to have adequate knowledge of rules and regulations framed by the government. So legal environment क्या क्या चीज़ आती है? That is various laws and legislative act, administrative order issued by the government authorities, court judgments as well as the decisions rendered by the various commissions and agencies at every level of the government, चाहे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हो, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट या लोकल गवर्नमेंट हो. ये सारी चीज़ें जो है वट एवर चेंजेस आर देयर जो लीगल होते हैं, दैट शुड बी इन द नॉलेज ऑफ बिजनेसमैन ऑल्सो सो दैट दे कैन स्कैन इट एंड कैन चेंज डू दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ एंड ऑर्डर of the economy. See example, advertisement of alcoholic product is prohibited and it is compulsory to give statutory warning on advertisement of cigarettes. आप देखते हैं cigarettes वगैरह के alcohol प्रोडक्ट जो भी बेचते हैं उस पर हमें एक स्टैचुरी वार्निंग लिखते हैं. एंड इट इज़ कंपलसरी, इट इज़ अ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कि अगर आप कोई किसी भी तरीके का टोबैको या फिर आप कोई भी ऐसी अल्कोहलिक आइटम्स को सेल कर रहे हैं तो दैट वार्निंग शुड बी देयर ऑन द बॉक्स ऑफ इट. तो इट इज़ नेसेसरी. तो यही लीगल चेंजेस हैं जिसको अडॉप्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज बिजनेस विल नॉट रन इन द मार्केट. तो दीज आर द डायमेंशंस, इसको हम फोर्सेस भी कहते हैं, विच हेल्प द बिजनेसमैन टू बी देयर इन द मार्केट. और जितनी जल्दी हम इन डायमेंशंस को अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं इन द business will be successful. So I hope you all understand. Dimensions I have completed. In the next lecture I will complete the next topics of this chapter. Note down all the notes in your copy. Thank you beta. Have a nice day.